coughing was, if you cough, you know that number one is the answer. If I cough, you know those objectives. If I cough twice, you know that it's number 2B. If it's 3 times, you know it is C. I said, okay, he was the best in class. When he started, this guy I think got like a hiccup. He coughed 3 times, he said that is C. The sample. And it's like that one would be F. Like, so the guy kept coughing. Until he coughed more than 4 times. Like I said, that is a blank.